So welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide of how you could use a completely amazing AI tool called Fliki Ai to go on to making up to $2,500 every single month right here in the year 2023 and even 2024 and beyond right now. And guys, if you do stick until the end of this video, you will learn this strategy and you can replicate that to make money online. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and other ways to make money online with the help of some AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out in boosting your income online, and you can just simply leverage such videos. You could also make sure you subscribe to the channel and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today. If you don't know about the AI tool called Fliki Ai, you actually find out that this AI tool is actually a video creation tool once you do head onto the platform or the website right here called the Fliki.ai. You can see right here with this AI, you could go on to creating videos 10 times faster and simpler right now. You could transform your ideas into stunning content with AI voices using our text to video tool. And you could see the use cases right here, as you can use this for content creation, marketing and social media, e-commerce, business and corporate, education and e-learning, localization and translation right here. This is actually quite cool right now, as you can actually do come on to watching this tutorial video right here on how to use the particular platform. You could also see that this platform right here is actually a simple editor which can be used to create videos fast and is cost effective right now. If you want to know more about the pricing plan of this platform, you could click on pricing right here, be brought to this page where you can see the various pricing plan of the platform, which are actually the free plan, the standard plan and the premium plan. But you can see that there is a limitation to the free plan in the sense that you only do get 5 minutes of credit per month on this platform, and that is quite not sufficient in creating much more income online using this particular AI. So which is why you want to opt in for a much more better plan, which may actually be the standard plan or the premium plan. You can see the price for each plan right here has actually been reduced right here, which is 50% off right now. You could utilize that right here. You could also come around to checking the comparison between each plan in this particular section. So once you scroll through right here, you can see much more details of each plan right now. Sign up for an account and go on to logging into your account. You can see I'm signed into my account right here, and you will be brought to a page similar to this. You want to just simply click on new file right now, and you could use this to create videos or audios only. So you can actually select the video right here, select the language of your choice, select the dialect, select the file name. Maybe I'm just going to put in something like tutorial. And once that has actually been inserted, put in the aspect ratio which you want to utilize right now. If you want a square video, select that. If you want a portrait or a landscape video, select that right now. You want to select what you want to start with, either to start with an empty file, to start with an idea, or to convert your blog post into a video, or PowerPoint presentation or the Twitter tweet into a video right now. You could utilize that right now. I'm going to select the empty file, click on submit right now, and a new particular file will be created for me that is actually empty. So right here guys, I can just simply go into creating my video from scratch right now, and I want to convert a script to a video, which I can actually get a script from this platform right here called ChatGPT. So right here guys, you could use ChatGPT content writing capabilities to generate scripts right now, and you can see right here I actually use ChatGPT to generate a script for a particular video right now. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write detailed article on weight loss. ChatGPT did a great job. So what I'm going to do right here, so as not to waste much of our time, is to copy the first 2 paragraphs right now. Once I copy that, I'm going to head back to Fliki Ai, and I'm just going to paste that in this section that says start writing. And once that has been pasted, what Fliki Ai is going to do is that it's going to split my script into various scenes, because the script is quite long right now, and you can see it splitted the script into 3 scenes right now. So you could actually go on to clicking on auto pick under each scene right here, and it's going to help you select a cool video for that particular scene. You could also select auto pick for every other scene right now. A video for each scene will actually be selected right now. So you can see how cool the AI is right here. So what you want to do next right there is to actually proofread or check out the videos right now that were actually selected for you. If you don't like the video, just simply click on this video icon right now. You'll be able to go onto the stock library and see a lot of videos you could actually do change that with. Maybe if you want to put in something like workout, maybe if I do type in something like workout right now and click on enter, I'll be able to see a lot of videos related to working out right here. Select one video, use that right there for your preference right now or for that particular scene. You could also go on to editing or selecting from your library right now, which is from your device, upload one from your device right now, or you could generate one with the help of this particular platform. So right here you could see how cool this actually is. You could actually go on to clicking on more to edit this scene. Maybe you want to duplicate that, you want to move it up, add a custom duration, that is inserting the amount of seconds the scene will actually last right now. You could also rename the scene, delete a scene if you do want to right now. So this is quite cool right here. Once you're done, you could actually check out the voiceover for each scene. You can see the voiceover right now. Voice is Sarah. If I do select that, I'll be able to see lots of voiceovers I can actually use right here. A lot of AI voice I can select. So to go on to checking out each AI voice right now, you could preview that by clicking on this icon right now and select one that is cool and suitable to you. You could also go on to changing the language right now. You could filter based on language, based on dialect, based on gender, and also voice style right now. So select one suitable to you right now, and once you're done with this right here, select a cool voiceover. You could add a background music of your choice. You could come right here to change the pronunciation map, to translate, to actually change the editor layout. You could go on to changing the settings. You could go on to creating videos with the Magic Create right now and download this on your device. You could also increase volumes right here, increase the speed. You could set the subtitle position and edit more details about the subtitle in this section right now. So once you are done, download the video on your device right here. So basically guys, the main question about this is how do you use this platform called Fliki Ai to make money online? So for you to use that to make money online, the first strategy right now is to actually go on to creating a faceless YouTube channel right now. So you can use Fliki Ai to create content for your faceless YouTube channel, and if that channel gets onto monetizing, you're gonna go on to making some cool cash online with this particular strategy right now. So use that to create consistent faceless YouTube videos right now and upload on your platform right there. That's the first strategy which you want to use. I'm going to show you two more cool and amazing strategies. The second one right now is to use Fliki Ai to create a promotional video for a product, and you can actually get products right here from platforms like ClickBank right here to get affiliate marketing products right now. You could also get products from platforms like CPA Grip to get CPA marketing products, where you can go on to promoting that with a video which you actually create from Fliki Ai. So create a cool video that relates to that particular product on Fliki Ai and use that to promote that product, and once you do get conversions to that particular product, you're going to be making money online right now. So that's actually quite cool right here, because with affiliate marketing you do go on to getting, depending on the product right now, you could earn from, let me say, $10 to $400 per product right now. So that's actually quite cool right now. So depending on the amount of conversions you get to that product using that video, that actually depends on how much you actually earn right now. So you could actually go on to creating promotional videos and upload that on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, even use YouTube right there to promote that and also attach your unique affiliate link to that affiliate marketing product and make money online with that. So the third and final strategy is for you to actually work as a freelancer right now on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, People Per Hour, Truelancer.com, and other freelancing platforms out there. It is quite important that you actually register for all the freelancing platforms so as to ensure that you do go on to getting jobs right now, which are actually quite much, so that you can make a lot of money online. Supposing I come right here and use Fiverr and just simply type in AI video generation. So if I do type in this right here, you can actually just see that about 5,000 people actually offer this gig right here on this platform. You can see the amount they are actually charging. This person charges from $75 this from $10, from $20, and from $10 right now. And you can actually use Fliki AI to create cool and amazing videos right now in a matter of 10 minutes to 30 minutes right now. So that's actually quite cool, because you can use that to offer this gig on Fiverr right now. And once people do contact you for jobs, all you need to do is use Fliki AI to create such videos and use that to make money right now. So this is quite cool right now. You can also go on to other social media platforms or other freelancing platforms, register for those platforms. Once you get jobs, use Fliki AI to complete such tasks and make a lot of money online. So these are 3 cool and amazing strategies I advise you to take advantage of. And I'm supporting in some cases right now where you do actually not get videos or images you want to use for this particular video on Fliki. You may actually go on to platforms like Pixels, Pixabay, and other platforms where you could get royalty-free images right here and utilize. As you can see right here on Pixels, if I do come right here and search for something like keto diet right now, I will be able to see a lot of royalty-free images right there I can utilize right now. I could also go into this video section and I will be able to see a lot of royalty-free videos I could utilize right here. So why this is actually cool is that even if you are using these videos right here for commercial purposes right now, you're not actually going to get any form of copyright issues or ban, because they are actually royalty-free images and videos right now. So utilize this right here to create much more videos right now on Fliki AI, as you can download such images and videos for absolutely free and utilize that to create videos for Fliki AI and go on to making money online. If the video added some value to you, do smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, ensure your notification bell is always turned on all right now, so that you do get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.